Welcome to Stanley, Scuba, Sailing, and Adventures. I appreciate you joining me. Please hit that subscribe button.
With all of the doors removed, both forward and aft, entering and exiting the wreck is easy, with plenty of room for both you and your buddy training before you attempt diving in a wreck or other overhead environment. The Boeing 727 was produced from 1962 to 1984. I believe this wreck has been in the water since approximately 1998. So the wreck's been underwater here for over 20 years. It's in great condition,